section, we'll define the core objectives of the tutorial, ensuring you have a clear understanding of its focus and purpose. Our goal is to guide you through Sheerpower's unique features and programming techniques, offering step-by-step insights into efficient coding practices. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and skills needed to optimize your workflow and develop more powerful, maintainable applications. For this section of the tutorials, it's important that you already have Sheerpower installed on your system. You'll be using the SPDEV IDE or Interactive Development Environment that came with the installation. While online versions may restrict certain interactive features for server protection, having Sheerpower installed locally lets you freely explore all its capabilities. This part of the tutorial is tailored for developers who want to fully experiment with Sheerpower, without any limitations, in a secure environment on their own computer.